Optional withdrawal, 15 years at membership maturity, 20 years ni Pag-ibig. Alamin. Yes, friends, it's high time to know ano po itong optional withdrawal at membership maturity ni Pag-ibig. Sino po yung mag-qualify? Ano po ang eligibility? Ano po ang coverage? At sino po ang hindi pwede na mag-withdraw ng optional at membership maturity ni Pag-ibig? Alright? So, short video lang po ito, concise, and with example. Let's get started. Disclaimer, ang video content natin ay hindi personal opinion, but based from research. Ito po, backgrounder lang po tayo. Ang savings natin sa Pag-ibig, may grounds po yan for withdrawal. So ito po yung mga grounds or reason for claim. Number 1, membership term maturity. Number 2, retirement. Number 3, permanent total disability or insanity. Number 4, termination from service by reason of health. Number 5, critical illness of the member. Number 6, optional withdrawal. Number 7, permanent departure from the country. Number 8, death. So, this time po, pag-usapan natin ang optional withdrawal tsaka membership term maturity. So, question number 1. Ano ang basic requirements para makuha po natin ang optional withdrawal tsaka membership maturity? Answer, number 1, filled out application form for provident benefit form. Number 2, original and photocopy of Pag-ibig loyalty card and 1 valid ID or 2 valid IDs. In the absence of loyalty card, kung wala tayong loyalty card pa, 2 valid IDs po ang kailangan. Original for presentation and photocopy of these 2 valid IDs na attachment sa provident benefit form na isubmit natin kay Pag-ibig. Question number 2, eligibility ng optional withdrawal. Answer, number 1, all members registered with the fund under RA 9679 and RA 7742 with at least 15 years and 180 continuous monthly savings without gap. Take note, without gap from the initial remittance, inclusive of membership savings, employee share, and if applicable, the employer counterpart. Simply said, friends, yung savings natin sa Pag-ibig, no, na 15 years without gap, walang putol po, continuous from first month po ninyo na payment up to 15th year nyo na payment. Walang gap po. Yan po ang number 1 eligibility natin to qualify sa 15 years na optional withdrawal. Number 2, members will reach their 10th year and 1/20th member savings without gap from their initial remittance until December 31, 2019, inclusive of membership savings, employee share, and if applicable, the employer counterpart. Number 3, must be in active status at the time of application for optional withdrawal. When you say active, ano tayo, no, updated tayo sa payment ng monthly contribution ni Pag-ibig. So, of course, kung employed tayo, automatic yan, no? Payroll deduction yan, yung Pag-ibig savings natin. As a result, active member po tayo. Unless if we resign, we retire, or na-lay off tayo, or natanggal tayo sa trabaho, then hindi natin gi-continue ang payment, inactive po tayo niyan. Pero once na you continue paying, even though unemployed kayo, over-the-counter payment or sa branch kayo nagpunta to pay monthly contribution, active member tayo niyan. Right? Third question, ano ba ang limitation ng coverage na ito? Answer, number 1, members who have completed the prescribed number of years of membership but have gaps in their monthly savings shall not be allowed to pay the contributions for the lacking months to qualify for optional withdrawal. So, pag talagang may gaps po, wala tayong bayad na kahit 1 month lang, may putol tayo, that will result for disqualification. Hindi tayo pwede mag-apply ng optional withdrawal. Disqualified po tayo. So, paano kung bayaran natin ang gap? Hindi rin allowed yan ni Pag-ibig. So, once na may gap, may putol, automatic po, hindi tayo mag-qualify. Yan po ang limitation ng coverage na ito. Number 1. Number 2, members who have outstanding housing loans, whether as a principal or co-borrower, or as a sponsor under HDMF Circular Number 203 or the Housing Loan Guidelines for Pag-ibig members registered under HDMF Circular Number 96. Membership of self-employed working groups with informal incomes through cooperatives and trade associations. So simply said, kung may housing loan tayo, may outstanding balance tayo, hindi pa natin na fully pay, hindi tayo mag-qualify din sa optional withdrawal. Alright? So, paano yan kung hindi natin makuha ang 15 years optional withdrawal? No worries po, ma'am and sir. Bakit? Kasi sa membership maturity, makuha po natin yan. By the way, yung nag-qualify po sa optional withdrawal, ano po ang period of availment? Kailan tayo pwede mag-apply for this withdrawal? Answer, number 1, an eligible member shall be given 1 year from the exact date the member has made his or her 120th or 180th month of continuous savings inclusive of employer counterpart if applicable. Number 2, should the member fail to avail of optional withdrawal within the 1 year period after the 180th month of continuous savings, the option to withdraw his or her tab shall be forfeited. He or she shall be able to withdraw his or her savings only upon the occurrence of any of the following grounds for membership termination. Number 3, in compliance with RA 9679, the fund shall no longer accept applications for 10-year optional withdrawal effective January 1, 2021. Simply said, friends, may 1 year po tayo file ng optional withdrawal ni Pag-ibig. Yung 10 years pala, no, na mention number 3, before meron tayo niyan, but effective January 1, 2021, nawala na po itong 10 years optional withdrawal. So, ang naiwan po is itong 15 years optional withdrawal. So, very clear po yan. Alright? So, once na hindi tayo maka-apply for the optional withdrawal within the 16th year, that is automatic forfeited po. So, meaning, hindi na po tayo maka-apply ng optional withdrawal sa 17th year to 19th year po. So, sa 20 years na po tayo maka-claim or membership maturity. Ito po, eligibility for membership maturity shall be based on 20 years of membership with the fund, reckoned with the first day of the month to which the member's initial contribution to the fund applies, provided that a member shall have contributed a total of 240 membership savings at the time of maturity. Member savings shall comprise of employee and employer share if applicable. So simply said, friends, may naka-reflect talaga no na 240 monthly contributions na po ang nahulog natin kay Pag-ibig. So makita po yan sa printout ng ESAB ninyo. So maghingi kayo ng ESAB sa Pag-ibig at doon natin makikita if 240 months na po yun na contribute natin, which is 20 years na po yan. And that is grounds for termination or pwede na po makuha ang pondo natin sa Pag-ibig. By the way, ang makuha po natin, meron tayong employee share, employer's counterpart, yung ginahulog ng employer din, tsaka annual dividends na na-earn po natin from first month up to the last month ng 20-year natin na savings. So medyo may kalakihan din, right? Kasi ang dividends pala ni Pag-ibig is yearly po yan. So ma-add on po sa ating principal amount sa savings natin. Alright, so kung may question tayo, please write in our comment section below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.